What's in the shop today, everybody? All sorts of cool stuff. Let's take a look at some of these. 1955 Chevy Nomad. We're doing all sorts of work to this one, but check out that amazing tri-power EFI from Phytec. 1936 Ford Business Coupe. What a beauty. 1982 Monte Carlo. Gorgeous 1970 Ford Torino formal roof. Look at those Daytons, real wire-wheeled with knockoffs. Speaking of real Daytons with knockoffs, check out this beautiful 64 Impala lowrider that we're working on right now. Gorgeous. 1973 Chevy Corvette. Working on some brakes. 1978 Pontiac Firebird Formula. Beautiful. You don't see a 48